First reading, 1 Samuel chapter 18 verse 6 to 9 and chapter 19 verse 1 to 7. Now when David returned, after he slew the Philistine, the women came out of all the cities of Israel, singing and dancing, to meet King Saul, with timbrels of joy, and cornets. And the women sung as they played, and they said, I Saul slew his thousands, and David his 10,000s. And Saul was exceeding angry, and this word was displeasing in his eyes, and he said, They have given David 10,000s, and to me they have given but 1,000. What can he have more but the kingdom? And Saul did not look on David with a good eye from that day and forward. And Saul spoke to Jonathan his son and to all his servants, that they should kill David. But Jonathan the son of Saul loved David exceedingly. And Jonathan told David, saying, Saul my father seeketh to kill thee, wherefore look to thyself, I beseech thee, in the morning, and thou shalt abide in a secret place and shalt be hid. And I will go out and stand beside my father in the field where thou art, and I will speak of thee to my father, and whatsoever I shall see, I will tell thee. And Jonathan spoke good things of David to Saul his father, and said to him, Sin not, O king, against thy servant, David, because he hath not sinned against thee, and his works are very good towards thee. And he put his life in his hand, and slew the Philistine, and the Lord wrought great salvation for all Israel. Thou sawest it and didst rejoice. Why therefore wilt thou sin against innocent blood by killing David, who is without fault? And when Saul heard this he was appeased with the words of Jonathan, and swore, As the Lord liveth he shall not be slain. Then Jonathan called David and told him all these words, and Jonathan brought in David to Saul, and he was before him, as he had been yesterday and the day before. Psalms chapter 56 verse 2 to 3, 9 to 10a, 10b to 11, 12 to 13. Have mercy on me, O God, for man hath trodden me under foot, all the day long he hath afflicted me fighting against me. My enemies have trodden on me all the day long, for they are many that make war against me. I have declared to thee my life, thou hast set my tears in thy sight, as also in thy promise. Then shall my enemies be turned back. In what day soever I shall call upon thee, behold I know thou art my God. In God will I praise the word, in the Lord will I praise his speech. In God have I hoped, I will not fear what man can do to me. In me, O God, are vows to thee, which I will pay, praises to thee. Gospel, Mark chapter 3 verse 7 to 12. But Jesus retired with his disciples to the sea, and a great multitude followed him from Galilee and Judea, and from Jerusalem, and from Idumea, and from beyond the Jordan. And they about Tyre and Sidon, a great multitude, hearing the things which he did, came to him. And he spoke to his disciples that a small ship should wait on him because of the multitude, lest they should throng him. For he healed many, so that they pressed upon him for to touch him, as many as had evils. And the unclean spirits, when they saw him, fell down before him, and they cried, saying, Thou art the Son of God. And he strictly charged them that they should not make him known.